Hey there, everybody. It is me, HLModTech, and I am at some special professional development. And today I'm at the high school library, and the things I've learned I can actually use with you. So if you follow these steps and fill out the form, you'll get a chance to earn a free 3D print. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, friends. Well, here's what I've got for you. This is called Free Print Friday, and this link will be in the bottom of our Google Doc. You can only do this if you're in my classroom, but if you are, what you're going to do is you're going to find an awesome thing on Thingiverse. I don't care what you search for, but find something cool, copy the URL, and then return to this form. Fill in your first name and last initial. It must be your real name to win. For instance, my name is Mike H., and you can only fill it in once. Put a description of the print, so I would have put a pumpkin, and then you need to paste the result down here for what the URL is. When you submit your form, you can then be in line for winning a free 3D print when I do the drawing today at noon. So you've got until 11:30 today to pick it, and then once you do that, I'll have all your little names. I'll pop the spinner up in a video, and you'll be able to see who the free 3D print winner is. Thanks for participating, friends. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, friends. We're stopped.